Mama, might I visualize the data on the views of your YouTube channel for the past 28 days?
Thank you so much, dear. Chu, can you point out which days are the weekends, meaning Saturday and Sunday?
Hayes, check the calendar yourself. Hayes, just this once, June had the 29th and 30th. July had the 6th, 7th, 13th.
Look here. Watch the attached tutorial to do it yourself next time. First, to create this chart, I will add a column in the spreadsheet to identify which values are for Saturday and Sunday. Then I will draw the line chart as usual. Right-click and select Change Chart Type. For the Views value, I will select Type Line, and for the Weekend shade, I will select Clustered Column and tick the checkbox for Secondary Axis. Click on the column chart part, reduce the gap width to the lowest level, and then fill it with a dark blue color at 80% transparency. For the secondary axis, I will set the maximum to 1, then hide the secondary axis by coloring it white. Finally, add the chart title, and we are done. So, how did it go? Can you do it?
Of course I can. Mama, your YouTube channel's views are gradually increasing.
That's right. Let's thank the viewers for supporting our videos.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you all for spending your precious time watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to give me more motivation to make more videos.